Hi guys, welcome to Progressive Cakes and Nourishment. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I made my commercial egg roll with my students today. So follow this video. If you're new to my channel, this is your first time of watching my video, click on the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell to be getting a lot of my new videos. Subscription is free. For the ingredients, you need your 6 cups of flour, quarter cup of sugar. This is normal water, 2 tablespoons of margarine. You can add more, but this is for commercial purpose. 10 pieces of eggs. For your baking powder, 2 teaspoons, half teaspoon of salt, and your nutmeg, 1 teaspoon. That is all you need for commercial egg roll. Right now, we'll add all the ingredients together and start mixing. Add your water bit by bit as you mix. Mix together and you pour it out on your work surface and begin to knead. If your dough is thickened, you can sprinkle flour on your work surface and continue kneading. When you're done kneading, like I said before, this is for commercial purpose. So we'll be measuring our dough, making sure that they are all equal. So I'll be using my scale. I'll measure 90 grams for the egg roll. I'll be measuring out 90 grams. I'll use to wrap the egg. Don't forget to like my video. If you have not liked this video, give me some thumbs up. It's very important. If you like my video, other people will be able to see it and watch and enjoy. So make sure you click on the thumb up. Click on the thumb up. It's very important. Like my video. You are free to use your bare hands and do this. You can wash your hand very, very well and you do this. I choose to use gloves for the video, but my students will be using their bare hands. You wash your hand neatly, you can still do this. Right now I've done up to 3, so I will allow my students to try it out on their own. If you're new to my channel, this is your first time of watching my video, click on the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell. Click on all notifications to be getting a lot of my new video. If I drop any new video, you will get an alert. Seriously, subscription is free, just for you to be getting a lot of my newest video. Okay. To my old subscribers, I appreciate you all. Thank you so much for coming back again. Thank you for all your support, for all your referrals and all that. Thank you so much. Keep sharing Progressive Cakes and Nourishment. Keep sharing our videos. Keep bringing people, inviting people to this channel. I love you so much. Thank you. Now it's time to fry. So take your time and fry your egg roll. You can see everything is very easy with Progressive Cakes and Nourishment. The oil is too hot, it's as if it's about to burn. Just take your time. If you're frying, take your time and fry. Make sure you're turning it. If you're not turning it, the down part will burn. So make sure you're turning it. No matter how big the oil is, make sure you are there stirring it. It's very important. If you're not doing that, the down part is going to burn. Make sure to like my video, give me thumbs up, give me thumbs up. It's very important to me. It encourages me and it also help other people to see this video. So don't forget to like this video. Our egg rolls ready, looking so beautiful. You can see they're pretty ready. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.